Cooking as an exact science. Cooking may seem easy. After all, your mom does it all the time, several times a day. But try stirring the sauce in the pan and frying the meat, and you will soon find out that there is more to cooking than meets the eye. Cooking is actually quite hard, not because it is an arduous task, but because it is an exact science. This means that you cannot just put any ingredients you want in any amount. To arrive at the taste that you want for your dish, you need the exact amount of ingredients, from the number of veggies that you include to the number of times you load the salt. A little more than what you should be putting can be disastrous to the taste palate. This is especially true with flavorings like salt, sugar, and other spices. This is why measuring the ingredients is an important part of the cooking process. Without knowing how to measure the ingredients right, you cannot make a perfect tasting dish, unless, of course, you have that natural gift and instinct for cooking that you can just put anything you want and still arrive at an unusually flavorful dish. Measuring cups are there to help any novice in cooking. And of course, there are the cookbooks, which will tell you the exact amount of each ingredient that you have to put in. Although most veteran cooks swear by on following your instincts and making your own measurements, for the first-time cooks and the not-so-new in the field, it is first important to follow the directions to the letter, and then as you gain experience, experiment with different tastes. But whether you follow what the cookbook says or you follow your recipes, you are still in a way measuring ingredients in an exact way. There are a lot of measuring tools available in the market that will help you in cooking. One of the most important ones, and the set that you should not cook without, is the set of measuring cups and spoons. These are the staple of recipe books. Without a set of the cups and spoon, you will not be able to determine just how many ingredients you should put, because often, cookbooks will indicate the number of cups or how many teaspoons. Another important tool in the kitchen that you should invest in if you are really serious in your cooking career is the weighing scale. This is not the scale that you use to look at your own weight. Rather, it is the kilo scale where you often put meat, fish, and vegetables to determine how they weigh. These are sometimes also referred to in recipe books. Although not as often used as the measuring cups and spoons, weighing scales are used in professional cooking recipes and also when cooking for a large number of people. This is because as the number of servings you are cooking for increases, so do the ingredients, and sometimes the cups and the spoons are just not enough to measure the ingredients that you need to use. Cooking, as they say, is not only an art but also a science, an exact science. And though you don't exactly need a math degree to make the perfect pasta, you need precision and balance to make one delicious dish. Thank you for watching another Unstoppable Intellect video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help keep the channel growing. Knowledge is power. Together, we'll make you truly unstoppable.